Hi, this is Kathy Weymouth from Tune the Temple. It's been a while since I posted a video, so let me just check in with you. It's beautiful here in Vermont. It's 60 degrees and cool air. It's gorgeous. I just wanted to say that I'm taking a bit of a rest lately and haven't posted as many videos because of that. And I'm also just like searching my heart what to do with Tune the Temple in the fall. And one of the things that's been on my heart is that I'm discovering like how much people judge themselves and how critical we are of ourselves. And I'm actually thinking about posting an opportunity for a short class, maybe like a 6-week Zoom class about how to love yourself more or how to even like yourself, these kind of things, how to judge yourself less. And in my classes, I always offer really practical, hands-on things that you're to do. And I've come across a few ideas of actions that we can take so that we would actually love who we are, love who we were created to be, and be at peace with that person who we are. So that not only can we be happier in life, but so that we can love others, we can serve others, we can come from a place of wholeness. Now, I don't do my marketing right. I don't have a refined niche of people that I'm working with. I don't have just one topic. Generally, my topics are about moving forward, about personal growth, usually in some kind of emotional topic. And so this is an example of that. I mostly reach out to women. And what I'm wondering, is this a topic that you could benefit from? Could you benefit from liking yourself more? Do you struggle with that? I think I'm just going to create a quick page on my website and you can see the link below the video. I would love to be I'd love to know if other people would be interested in something like this. Well, I've come across all these suggestions and I think I could just apply them in a class. It'd be great. And I'm a teacher at heart. I love to teach, but I do know one thing. I have learned this so much. Knowledge is not going to change you. And you know, my YouTube videos, I have a lot of knowledge, but I also always include some kind of action that I suggest you do, because insight is like 20% of the game. 80% of the game is, what you're doing with your thought process. What are you doing in your actions? And the insight alone is not going to bring change in your life. So I just really want to help, because I feel like I've been struggling a little bit with just loving who I am. And as I'm growing in that and as I'm challenging myself in that, I'm thinking, oh, this would really benefit some people. And I have some tools here that I'm going to be able to use. So anyway, I hope you're enjoying your summer, and I hope that you're taking some rest time, maybe a little more exercise than usual. The weather's been particularly hot, so getting out in the morning is really good in the cooler times of the day. And I just wanted to say hi to you, and I'll be in touch later about that. Check out the page on my website. Okay, Kathy Weymouth from tunethetemple.com.